In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color settings of the WP Travel Engine on your WordPress site for the year 25. If you're someone who likes to customize the look and feel of your website to match your brand or personal style, you'll find these instructions quite helpful. Now let's get started, and before you know it, you'll have a beautifully customized WordPress site. The first thing we need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the left-hand menu. From there, go to the Appearance section and you'll see an option for Customize. This is where we can make all sorts of visual changes to your theme. Clicking on Customize brings up a whole new set of options. Now, depending on your specific WordPress theme, you'll want to look for menu items like Colors, Theme Options, or WP Travel Engine Settings. Each theme might organize things a little differently. So if you don't see it immediately, take a moment to explore and find which menu item will allow you to manipulate the colors. Once in the correct section, you'll see options to change various colors on your website. Start with the primary color, which often defines the main aesthetic of your site. This might be the color shown in your headers or footers. Then look at altering the colors of buttons and links. This can significantly affect how users interact with your site. Finally, there's the background color, which can give your site a completely different vibe. Choose hues that complement each other and enhance readability. After you've made your selections, one of the best features here is that you can preview your changes in real time. This way, you're not guessing what your site will look like. Instead, you'll immediately see the updated design, helping you make quick and informed decisions about the colors you like best. Once you're satisfied with how everything appears, it's crucial to save your work. So, look for the Publish or Save Changes button and click it. This step updates your live site, ensuring visitors can enjoy your new color scheme immediately. And there you have it, a perfectly customized color scheme for your WordPress site using the WP Travel Engine. If you're interested in further customizations, like using Elementor or other plugins to improve your site, you might find additional tutorials helpful. Otherwise, continue enjoying creating beautiful content on your personalized site. Thanks for joining me today, and happy customizing.